So I got another project going on. This Dakota, I was replacing a section of my fuel line here because it was leaking. So it was the return line going to the tank. So I replaced that section, and from me moving that fuel line a little bit, snapped right off of the tank. So now I got to remove the bed, and instead of me just dropping the tank, because I don't feel like doing that, I'm just going to lift the whole bed up and do it from up top and go on from there. Sucks because it's kind of right here, and everything's just in the way, and so this is where it snapped off, is right here, right off of this line. So I gotta replace all the rubber lines on top of the tank. So I sprayed some of these screws holding the bed. I gotta make sure if it's the right size. What is this thing? I got my tools. Let's see if this will fit. There's one of them right there. Hit it when my phone goes out of focus. Is this the right size? Yes, it is. Alright, see if we can get it out. So I forgot, I own an air compressor. Oops. There's my gun. See if I can reach it. Probably not. I can't reach this side. But I did get this bolt out. So that's a good sign, I guess. Alright, I got all the bolts out. So far, so good. Now I'm just waiting for a buddy of mine to come pick up the bed. So it turns out this bed is just trashed. Underneath is just all rotted out. So I'm just gonna put this bed on. I got it a while ago. I had to torch some wasp nests that was in there. There's a couple of them. So I was painting the rust, and all of a sudden a couple of wasps came out and tried to attack me. You can probably see one of them. I don't know if you can see it that good. Yeah, there you go. Just torched them. And yeah, as soon as I remove the bed, I'm going to replace all the fuel lines that are in there, and go on from there. Alright, so I replaced the lines. No more fuel leaks. Good, now I can stop having gas on my big toe. So, found a reason why my tailgate wouldn't close right. This would always be leaning on, like, this way more. Look, there's a crack right here. Not only that, this is busted. Look at all this. This is... yeah, this bed's gone. Luckily, for myself, I saved all the bolts. That's a plus, all 8 of them. And that bed's gonna go on here. So, I need my truck so that way I can start cutting some grass with this thing. I'm keeping the tailgate. The tailgate's still good, surprisingly. But yeah. Took the spare tire off because I don't need it. That's all I have is a muffler. Just straight pipe because this broke off. Yeah, alright, well, all I gotta say is goodbye. Okay, so the hardest part is gonna be trying to get that bed on here. I don't know if I was gonna see if I could try to use my gantry. You can see my gantry. I have the chain right here. See if I can lift it up and back the truck in. I just got so much stuff I gotta move out the way. I probably have to get some 2x4s and some rope or chain or something. Or I just need 4 or 5 people to try and lift it in here. Because you gotta maneuver. Pretty much the only thing you just gotta maneuver over is just this. I had a spare tire. Well, I cut it off because it's useless because it's rusty. So I took the thing off that you turn to turn that cable system, whatever you want to call it. So that way, I cut that off so that way, because it was just getting caught right here. So I just said screw it. And yeah, hopefully either I just gotta clean this bastard out, or I just need 4 or 5 people to help me with this. And it's not gonna be easy, I'll tell you that. So wish me luck. Alright, so got the new bed on. Obviously I got my glasses on because there's so much rust up. And when you're hitting this with the air gun, a bunch of rust like to fly all over the place. Gets in your eyes, and that's not fun. Anyways, this is the progress of it now. Yeah, too close. All right. Hate it when my phone does that. Doesn't look too bad. I don't know. Maybe I might paint it, or I might not. Now I have room in my garage. As you can see, well, it's just on the wheel well. But in the bed, not a speck. Just got to clean it. It's a dent right here, but it's... I could push this out actually, if I can. I need like a screwdriver or something. Tailgate opens fine. No hassle. Because before, on that I had to push this side in order to close the tailgate. Still got this one, keeping that one. On this side, it's better on this side. Got my fuel hose, my fuel filler neck put back in. And on that bed over there, this was pushed in and it kept rubbing up against the cab. So all I gotta do is just wire in the taillights, and I got 3 bolts tightened right now, so I still need to do that. And what's nice about this tailgate, it actually has a 3rd brake light. I might wire it up, but because this was a 95, the wiring is different, so I got a ghetto rig of wire on to make that brake light work, because obviously they didn't start doing that till I want to say 94, 95, I want to say. And you know, this is an 89, so it doesn't have the wire for that. But yeah, my taillights are in the van over there, so I gotta wire it. So I gotta take and push these out because this is a different wiring. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I had help from a couple of my friends I haven't seen in a while. I went to elementary school with them, and I was helping them unloading some pallets, and I'm like, hey, you want to help me put the bed on? And they're like, yeah. And we actually got it on, and it wasn't too bad. I was surprised. So I wonder if they use different metal. That one's probably heavier, so I might get a Sawzall and cut that up because I'm scrapping it Monday. So today is, well, so it's tomorrow. Well, that's it. So, see. Oh yeah, one more thing.